In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project as a template. This is a really useful feature if you find yourself creating the same types of projects over and over again. Instead of rebuilding them from scratch each time, you can set one up once, save it as a template, and then reuse it whenever you need. Let's start by opening the project you want to turn into a template. Make sure you've already set this project up the way you like. Tasks are organized, sections or columns are in place, due dates or assignees are added if needed, and any important descriptions are filled in. The more polished your project is now, the more helpful your template will be later. Once everything looks good, navigate to that project so you can see its main view on your screen. At the top of the project, look for the project name. Right beside the name, you'll see a small arrow icon. This arrow usually opens a drop-down menu with additional options. Move your cursor over to that small arrow and click on it. If you don't see it right away, just hover near the project title area until it appears. This drop-down is where you'll find the controls for things like project settings and, in this case, saving your project as a template. After you click the arrow, a menu will appear with several options. Look through that list and find the option that says Save as Template. Go ahead and click on Save as Template. This tells the system that you want to store the current structure and settings of this project so you can use them again in the future. It won't delete or change your existing project, it simply creates a new template based on it. Once you've clicked Save as Template, follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to give your template a clear descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. You may also have the option to adjust a few details, like who can access the template, or how it will appear when someone creates a new project from it. Take a moment to review these options and choose what works best for your team. When you're done, confirm and save. Your project is now stored as a reusable template. The next time you need a similar project, just create a new project and select this template.